Here's a 1928 Ford Model A Roadster pickup. Nicely restored vehicle. This particular vehicle has been with the previous owner for approximately 15 years. He is the one that had it restored, kind of used as a parade vehicle, fun Sunday afternoon cruiser. And now it's time for him to part with it and somebody else to enjoy. This is an all steel vehicle. Of course, you can see dual side mounts. Nice red and black combination on this, really stands out with the kind of cream yellow wheels on it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of it, interior box, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. This is powered by the 201 L-head inline four-cylinder. It's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, and that's the way, of course, this vehicle would have came from Ford Motor Company back in 28. Now, we'll show you underneath here is a shut-off valve for the fuel. Right there is off. We'll click that on here in a bit. We'll start it up. Of course, the choke. Pull on that for the choke, parking brake. The Model A was the first vehicle that has the contemporary clutch, brake, and gas pedal as we know it today. Wood bed finished off nicely. Paint on this also in very nice shape. Now, of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this to where you're located at. So just consult with your sales associate when you call in, and we can arrange all of those things. I will slip in the passenger side here and we'll fire this up so you can see see how the fuel valve and everything turns on in the choke and where the starter is. A little easier to show you from that side. But once again, both sides, you can see the paint in nice shape. Fenders black, nice luster to it. All right, let's go ahead, step up on this side, and we'll fire this up. Of course, the starter is up underneath the dash, a little higher on the floor, and of course your clutch and brake pedal. So we're going to take and flip that valve in that direction so the gas is on. Shouldn't have to choke it right now, so let's go ahead and push. Starter up here, key on. And you can see how easy it fires up. Runs nice and smooth. That'll be your gas gauge, amp meter. Now, I did notice that this also had an alternator conversion to it. It does have an Ooga horn, of course. What's a Model A without one of those? Slip around to the back. Sounds just like you'd expect an A to sound. 201 inline four-cylinder. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop one of the sides on this engine bay. At least let you check that out and see this thing run. All right, here you go. There you can see the alternator. It does have the splash pans down there. You don't always see that on these. Of course, the VIN number on these cars is right here on the engine. That is the actual VIN number for the vehicle. That matches our title, clean Minnesota title for this car. Be ready for you to enjoy. There you go. See how smooth that runs? Sounds good. So there you have it. 1928 Ford Model A Roadster pickup, all steel. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the listing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with getting this beautiful vehicle to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.